Praise the Lord, brothers and sisters. I am Brother Vijay Bauri, a pastor and apostle for Alan Rich Ministries in India. Brothers and sisters, I established my mission in Andhra Pradesh in the year 1994. I surveyed many villages, so I selected these tribal villages and backward villages, and I started my mission work in this area. I struggled a lot in the beginning. People beat me. People want to kill me. Even though I prayed a lot, God helped me. God said, go and work in those villages. I am with you. So I do my services here. At the beginning, I established only one church in Tantikonda village, which is in Gokavaram Mandalam in East Godavari district. From there, I started my mission work. Now, I established 62 churches. In Andhra Pradesh, 48 churches, and in other states, 14 churches I established. Really, my dear brothers and sisters, I thank God for giving me an opportunity to share with you. And now today, I established one disabled home with 68 children in the year 2000, and I have 68 disabled children who are deaf and dumb and handicapped, blind, and different kinds of diseases. You can see them in videos. And also, that was running in rental building. I need to construct a permanent building for these children with all the equipments. As well as in the 1999, I started an orphan school, completely orphan children who has no parents, and the children I found in dustbins, bushes, at the lakes and near to the temples. They really do not have parents. They left them in the bushes. After giving birth, they throw them in the lakes. Those children, I have about 63 children at present. You can see them also in the video. Brother Alan Rich saw these two homes and took videos, photographs. And also, I help nearly 50 widows and old age women by giving little bit of rice, oil, and some food grains. I don't have any house to run them, but I call them at one place and I give little help to them. And also, I help 500 AIDS patients. Every month I used to give 100 rupees and little rice and some food grains to them. Nearly 20 women got help from me. I have given sewing missions to them. And 10 women got buffaloes from my ministry. And now they are happy, but few are died. At present, I have 250 AIDS patients under my control. I request all of you to pray for this mission. I would like to establish by next year 100 churches in Andhra Pradesh and in other states. At present I have 64 pastors under my control from 3 districts, from 7 districts and 3 states.
How many members?
63 pastors.
How many members totally?
And totally I have 9,997 believers according to my records.
And they are mainly in the tribal areas, rural areas, yes?
And there are many from tribal areas and little from rural areas, because I give a lot of time to establish in tribal areas, and I traveled and I preached in tribal areas. And also the people use me as a speaker for their meetings. They invite me, they call me. Not only that, by last year, Nalgonda districts from Andhra Pradesh, they unanimously elected me as their Pastors Fellowship President. I am very happy. This was given by the God, this chance to work in this district, so that I can also establish our mission centers in these districts also. So kindly pray for my mission, pray for my pastors, disabled, orphan, widows, and to the believers. This all villages, nearly 60 villages, our pastor Alan Rich visited and saw the people and spoke with them and took videos. And also he visited our disabled home, orphan home and widows. Not only that, he also distributed some medicine to the AIDS affected, infected children, and distributed few Bibles to the poor people, and distributed rice to the old age, and he helped a lot when he come here. I also remember you always in my prayers. I never forget you and your team and your country in my prayers. I also request you to pray for my country, my people and my mission. I thank you so much.